Now that you know how to animate your images, it's time to actually do it. Before you start, we need to ensure the correct settings are in place. Always use the latest version of Kling AI, which is currently version 1.6. Start by uploading the image you created in Mid-Journey, camera and photo movement. For prompting on camera movement and photo movement, I'll create a separate lesson as it's a comprehensive topic. This will include detailed explanations and examples for everything. Note: camera movement is currently not available on Kling 1.6. We'll update you when this feature becomes available. Understanding the settings, the creativity relevant slider is key to customizing how the AI animates your video. Relevance side: the more you move the slider toward relevance, the closer the AI will follow your prompt and instructions. Creativity side: the more you move it toward creativity, the more freedom the AI has to decide how the video will be animated. Additionally, you can choose between two modes. Mode Standard: this option is cheaper but produces videos of much lower quality. Mode Professional: I highly recommend this mode if you want to get the best quality and results out of your videos. Negative prompt: this section is where you specify everything you do not want to see in the video. For example, you can list animation blur, distortion, low quality, abstract elements, warped visuals. By using negative prompts, you can refine your results and ensure the AI avoids including undesired elements. By fine-tuning these settings and prompts, you can achieve a perfect balance between your vision and the AI's creative input.